Hi guys, my name is Emma and we are here in the Jellyfish invaders area. There are around 4,000 species of jellyfish worldwide, and here at the National Sea Life Centre in Birmingham we have 4 species which we look after. Behind me you'll see one of our species called moon jellyfish. You'll see these in the UK, you'll often find them washed up on beaches, and you'll characterise them by these 4 circles that they have in their bell, and they usually light up in the sun a little bit as they are bioluminescent. So these guys, the way that they eat is they'll have a mucus on their bell, and lots of tiny little plankton will get stuck to this mucus, and then they'll use these special tentacles to move this over to their mouth part. So we also have a very unique Caribbean species of jellyfish called upside down jellyfish. So you'll notice when you look at them, they are upside down. So their bell, they usually rest on the sand. So unlike most jellyfish, which will propel themselves through the water, these jellyfish will rest on the sand. These guys have a brown colour. You'll see they're quite stripy and brown, and it comes from an algae which lives in their cells. And they have a nice relationship with this algae where it will get a nice safe place to live in the cells of the jellyfish, and in turn it will provide the jellyfish with food. But if they do want to grow a little bit more, and obviously through their lives they do get a lot bigger, they feed on plankton which they'll find in the ocean around them. So our upside down jellyfish are actually under threat at the moment due to the habitat that they live in. So they'll live in these mangrove forests where they do a nice favour for the mangrove trees. The upside down jellyfish will jet around in the water, and they'll stir up this sand that sits around the mangrove trees' roots, and they help the mangroves to get all the nutrients that they need. We've lost over 1/3 of our mangrove forest just from fisheries and farming alone. Thank you so much for listening to me talk about jellyfish today. If you do have any questions as you're walking around the centre and you see myself or any of my colleagues, please stop us and ask us. We'd love to answer any questions that you have for us.